you're welcome to another training session. Wow. Okay, so today we're looking at how to produce liquid disinfectant like Izal. Remember, I did not say I'm producing Izal. I said I'm producing liquid disinfectant like Izal. I already have a video of Izal on this channel, but I decided to do this because I want to correct something. Let me run you through the list of chemicals I'll be using to produce this batch. Okay, why? The first is our Tezapon. You know, in my previous video, I used 1/8 kg, which is 125 grams of Tezapon. But this time around, I'll be using half of that. For example, I'll be using 116 kg. I'll be using 62.5 grams. Why am I doing that? Because I noticed after producing that, the Isaiah tends to start foaming. Though some people like it, but it shouldn't foam so much because it is not soap. So I'll just reduce the quantity. Though if you feel you like the foam, you can also leave it at that 1/8, which is 125 grams. But I'll be using 62.5 grams here. So I'll be using half of this quantity. They actually measured 125 grams for me from the market. So I'll be using half, which is 116, 62.5 grams. This is my test upon this number. I have my phenol and pine oil mix because that phenol is so powerful that if it is put in this bottle, it can burst it, unless they want to use a stronger bottle like this one. But since they are not using this, they use this one, so they tend to mix both. So here I have both pine oil and my phenol. So my phenol here is 116, which is 62.5 ml. If you don't know how to convert this ml and liters, I have a video on this channel where I talked about understanding measurement. You can just check for it, and I explained in 3 parts how you can understand measurement and how you can convert from liter to mil and the rest of them. So here I have my phenol here is 62.5 ml, which is 116 liter because it's a liquid, so we're measuring in liters. 116 liters, 62.5 ml, and my pine oil here is 125 ml. 125 ml, 18 liters. Here I have my concentrate. It is 250 ml. I have my Lysol here. It is 250 ml also. I have my booster. This is called Izal booster. I'll be using 250 ml. And here I have some call this Izal thickener. Some call it Izal whitener, whichever name they call it by, or you call it for them, they understand. Either it will give your Izal that a little bit white, bright color. So it is whitener or thickener. Some call it thickener, some call it whitener. So I'll be using 250 ml also. So let me run through the items again. I'll be using 62.5 grams of Tezapon. And here I have phenol and pine oil. Phenol is 62.5 ml. Pine oil is 125 ml. I have my concentrate here. It is 250 ml. I have my Lysol. It is 250 ml. And I have my booster. It is 250 ml also. Izal booster. That's what it is called. You know, the dark name Izal has taken over it. But normally it is liquid disinfectant. I have my whitener here. They also call this one. I'll add and I have my water here. I'll be using 4 liters. No, I said we are producing 5 liters. By the time I have added all this liquid, they will add up to like 1 liter. So I'll add 4 liters of my water. So after production, if you see that it is still very thick or it is very, very concentrated, if you want to add more water, you can try to add 1 or 2 more liters of water more, depending on the quality of the chemicals that you bought. So let's go right into production. So first I'll add my Tezapon. I'll add half. I want to use 62.5 grams. So I've added half of the 125 grams that they gave me in the market. So I'll add my Tezapon. And I'll add my phenol and pine oil mixed together. Phenol and pine oil mixed together. Please be very careful with phenol. Phenol is very, very, in fact, it's as dangerous as HCl. If it touches your body, it will burn you. Phenol no be small pikin chemical, so it should be handled with care. So I will just take. So they've pre-measured everything for me in the market already. So we just mix until your Tezapon is very well dissolved. You just mix. Okay, so see that my Tezapon is well dissolved. So I'll add my Lysol. 250 ml. 250 ml. I'll add and I'll stir. My concentrate is 250 ml. See, this one is 250 ml. This cup is a 250 ml cup. I'll add and I'll stir. And then I'll add my Izal booster. It's very straightforward. It's simple to produce. Just add, then add your water. Then you're done. I'll add my Izal booster, 250 ml. Stir well. Stir. Then I'll add my white wine. Okay, so and I'll add my whitener. It's also 250 ml. So everything is 250 ml except pine oil and phenol. Phenol is 62.5 ml and pine oil is 125 ml. Every other thing is 250 ml. So you can see every other thing is 250 ml. So that's it. Everything is 250 ml. So I'll add and I'll stir. So our Izal is ready. This one is so thick. So I'll just add my 4 liters of water and our Izal, and that will be it. One. Let me rinse my cup. This is 2 liters. This is 3 liters. And this is the last one. This is 4 liters. So my Izal is ready. See how beautiful it is. You see why I reduced the Tezapon in this one? You can see the foam. Yet, even though I reduced it by half, it is still foam, but it is fine. If you allow it for some time, it will settle. So this is our Izal. So you can also buy these bottles in the market. They sell them like this. It comes in this like this. When you just cork it, nobody can open it. To be as if you sealed it. They sell it like this. So whenever that tries to open it, will break it. So it comes like this. So this is my bottle. So this is my Izal. I'll just pour into my bottle. You can see it's very, very simple. Produce this in less than. Use your funnel, please. You can see how beautiful and thick the Izal is. So I'll just add in my bottle. I'll cork. So it has clicked. I've corked it. So once I cork it like this, anybody that tries to open it will break the seal. So it is tamper. And if you want to make it more solid, you can also use tamper-proof on top of it, tamper-proof nylon on. So this is here's my Izal. Very easy. And I hope you subscribe to my channel. If you've not subscribed, please do. As I come with valuable content, please also like and share. Share. Please share to all your WhatsApp groups. They will thank you for teaching them this skill for free. You can produce this for your home use and also for sale. It is very, very profitable because it is a water-based production. Please also hit that bell icon, that notification bell, so that YouTube notifies you each time I post valuable content, because I do that at least once a week. I can do that more than once, but at least I must post something every week for you, because I want you to learn. I want you to learn skills and either earn or save. Thank you.